Hi everyone, my name is Ivan. I'm one of the co-founders from Ultimate Investing. Now I specialize in technical analysis and also trading mentality. So basically, I'm being called one who can read behaviors of investors, just like I'm looking through the wall. Okay. Now this is what some of my students actually gave me a nickname. Yeah. All right. Now, today I'm going to share with you two very special things, and which is very interesting because recently you can see that there are lots of news on the oil price, creating historic moment. Now, some of you may think that this is very risky to trade. However, the thing is, if you know what you're doing, do you think it's risky? Now, I'm going to share with you one flip chart, which is very interesting. Okay, I'm going to show you one flip chart here. All right, which I learned from one of the business coach. His name is Marshall Turber, and he shared this, and it is highly applicable to investing as well. So this is the quote that he shared. Is called risk versus risky. A flip chart right here. Now this is very important, especially when it comes to investing as well. Now investing can be risky if you don't know what you're doing. Now, if you know what you're doing, it belongs to risk. Let me give you some example. So first one is that if someone has never been through a bear market, not once, yeah, not even a single bear market, and now is trying to teach someone how to navigate through the bear market, how to execute trades, how to make mentality, sort of like investing mentality. Do you think if you were to follow this person or this so-called teacher or something like that, do you think this is risk or risky? Right, I think you know the answer. What about the second one here? Now, this second example is now, if someone were to execute a trade and then online, maybe just doing some live trade for you, and then you just follow blindly, yeah, and you never question, you don't even know what he's doing, you just follow him to trade. Do you think this is risk or risky? Which one? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you know the answer, right? That's right. So now it's very clear that both scenarios are risky. Now, the thing is how to make yourself go from risky to risk. To know what you are doing, you need this next thing, which is called a game plan. Now, you have to be very clear of your trading processes. You have to know exactly what you're doing, when you should enter, when you should exit, and whether you should go for short term or long term, or even for really long term. Like, yeah. So the thing is, you have to be very clear. You have to be what? Very clear. That's right. Now the thing is, in our Ultimate Investing Bootcamp, we teach our students all this game plan. We teach them the flip chart, risk versus risky. We even teach them, if you are not sure, you avoid. There are so many thousands of stocks available in the market for you to trade. If you're not sure, you avoid. Now, the thing is, game plan is very important. We, in Ultimate Investing Bootcamp, we emphasize a lot on game plan. Even after the bootcamp itself, the training, our students, right, will constantly be reminded by me. Yeah, I am called the nagger in the Ultimate Investing Bootcamp, or in our community. Yeah, so I even give myself a nickname for myself. It's called the nagging indicator. So if I nag, then our students will actually get to learn more. Okay. So I hope these two flip chart here give you a good idea, right? How to protect yourself, yeah, and also basically how you can take your investing approach and keep yourself safe. Okay. Now, very important. I wish all of you well. I wish all of you all the best in your investing, and hopefully I see some of you in the Ultimate Investing Bootcamp. See you.